Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make this Pac-Man cartoon series. So let's get started. We will need a template, a cardstock paper and some pins. We will attach it like this. You can also use stapler pin. Now with the help of foam sheet and embossing tool, we will transfer this image to the cardstock paper. Remove the pins. It will look like this after completing. So I have joined 2 to 3 strips of red color paper to make the monster of Pacman. Make the outline of it. It will look like this after completing. So now we will use different types of zigzag to fill inside it. If you don't know how to make the zigzags, here is the link for it. We will stick it one by one as shown. It will look like this after completing. Now we will attach some small zigzags like this one. Complete the remaining part similarly. You can also add some of the zigzags here. Now we will cut the eyes from the template we have used before. Now we'll stick the eyes to the main body. So the monster of Pac-Man is completed here. You can see it will look like this after completing. Now we'll start with the Pac-Man. I have done the same process with the Pac-Man also. We will add this type of strip as we done before and make the outline like this. Now we will again add some zigzags to fill inside body. Complete the remaining part and it will look like this after completing. And I have cut the extra paper so it will look like this after completing. I have also made a monster like this and I am giving the link of this template in description. So guys, here is the end of our video. If you like my idea, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it. Thank you for watching.